Are you looking for the best mechanic tool set? Top 5 for every budget and skill level? As car maintenance and DIY repairs become more common, the demand for quality mechanic tool sets is rising fast. Whether you're a seasoned technician or a home garage enthusiast, having the right tools makes all the difference. In this guide, we evaluate the best mechanic tool sets based on tool variety, durability, storage, and value for money, so you can make the right pick for your next project.
Product number 1. Tool Guard's Complete Ratcheting Wrench Set, 33 pieces, metric and standard. If you're looking for a versatile and portable wrench set, the Tool Guard's 33-piece ratcheting wrench set stands out for its quality and precision. It includes both metric and SAE sizes, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of fasteners. Each wrench features a smooth ratcheting mechanism and a mirror-polished chrome finish that resists rust and corrosion. What sets this set apart is its 15-degree offset design, which offers better access in tight spaces. It's ideal for both professionals and DIYers who need a compact, high-functioning set. While it doesn't include sockets or drivers, it's a perfect supplementary set to a larger toolbox. The durable roll-up pouch makes it easy to store and transport, and the value is hard to beat for the price.
Product number 2. True Mechanic 312-piece Mechanics Tool Set and Socket Set Professional SAE Metric. The True Mechanic 312-piece set is an absolute powerhouse, designed for professionals who need comprehensive coverage in both SAE and metric sizes. It includes ratchets, sockets, hex keys, adapters, and extensions, giving you the flexibility to tackle almost any automotive or mechanical repair job. The tools are forged from chrome vanadium steel, ensuring long-lasting durability and resistance to wear. The ratchets have a fine 70-tooth mechanism, offering precise operation even in tight spaces. This set is housed in a sturdy, blow-molded case that keeps everything well organized. Though it's on the higher end in terms of price, the sheer volume and quality of tools make it well worth the investment. If you're building a serious garage setup or replacing old tools, this is one of the best all-in-one kits available. Product number 3. DeWalt Mechanic Tool Set, 247-piece, 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drive. DeWalt is a name trusted by pros, and this 247-piece mechanic tool set lives up to the reputation. It includes 3 drive sizes, 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drive, ensuring full coverage for a range of jobs. The tools are made with polished chrome vanadium steel for strength and corrosion resistance. One standout feature is the direct torque technology, which helps prevent rounding of fasteners, especially useful when dealing with stubborn bolts. The ratchets have a 72-tooth count, providing a 5-degree arc swing, ideal for tight workspaces. You'll also get an assortment of hex keys, extensions, and bit adapters, all neatly packed in a durable carrying case. It's a reliable, mid-tier option that delivers professional-level quality.
Product number 4. Craftsman Mechanics Tool Set, 256-piece with 2-drawer toolbox. For users who prioritize organization and storage, the Craftsman 256-piece mechanic tool set offers a great balance between variety and utility. It comes with a portable 2-drawer toolbox, making it easy to keep everything organized and accessible. The set includes ratchets, deep and shallow sockets, hex keys, and combination wrenches, all made from high-strength alloy steel with a polished chrome finish. The 12-point sockets allow for better grip, reducing the risk of stripping fasteners. Craftsman includes both metric and SAE sizes, making it suitable for a variety of applications, from auto repair to home projects. It's perfect for those starting their tool collection or upgrading their. Product number 5. Amazon Basics Mechanics Socket Tool Set with Case, SAE and metric sizes, 201-piece. For budget-conscious buyers, the Amazon Basics 201-piece mechanic tool set offers excellent value without sacrificing quality. It includes a practical selection of ratchets, sockets, extensions, and hex keys in both SAE and metric sizes. The tools are made from chrome vanadium steel and meet ANSI standards, ensuring reliability for everyday use.
The ratchets have a solid grip and function smoothly, making them ideal for light to moderate tasks around the home or garage. Everything is stored in a compact, molded carrying case that's easy to store or transport. While it might not satisfy professional mechanics, it's a fantastic starter set or emergency kit for casual users and DIY enthusiasts.